So guys, in this video I want to show you how you can create designs like this with just one singular prompt using ChatGPT. Now you don't need any design experience, even if you have not designed anything in your life. I want to show you how you can make this happen with just your ChatGPT app with just one singular prompt. Now I'm going to be sharing all the prompt with you in this very video, how you can generate more prompt. Now you can tailor it to your specific niche and preference. Now you must have been seeing this stunning design everywhere and you are wondering, how do I create stunning designs like this for my business and brand without paying any huge amount to a graphic designer? Now in this, you don't need Canva, you don't need Pixel Lab, you don't need Photoshop to do this. Now with just this very simple prompt, you can create stunning designs like this right here on this video. Now with that said, let's jump right into this video. Now before I jump right into this video, I want to deeply apologize for my absence on YouTube for the past few months. Many of my subscribers have reached out to me. Now there are a few reasons I have not been active on YouTube, of which I might be sharing them as time goes on. But right here in this video, let's jump right into business. Now the first thing you have to do is to come to your ChatGPT. Now if you don't have the ChatGPT app, you can go to Chrome, or you can just go to Play Store or App Store and download this app. So let's get into this. Now for this very case, we're going to be making use of the prompt I've already generated. We're going to be creating a design based on fitness. I've already have my prompt right here, and this prompt was generated by ChatGPT. So by the end of this video, I will show you how you can generate your own prompt for any niche or any business you are dealing with. Now this is for a gym fitness Instagram flyer right here. So I'm going to copy this right now. As you can see, I say create a powerful Instagram flyer for a Nigeria fitness gym. Use black, red, and orange colors. Show an athletic man and woman working out with visible muscle definition, high energy, add dramatic lightning. Now this is me tailoring them and telling them what I want. Now if you are telling AI what you want, you have to tailor it down to every details of this design. These are AI, they're not humans. If you don't tailor down the details of what you need, they might end up creating something else for you, and maybe what they will create for you is not going to be something you want, or is not going to be high definition. So you have to be very specific and you have to follow every instruction in this video so that you will end up creating stunning and outstanding flyers for your business. So let's go back to this very video right now. I'm going to copy this based on this video. As you can see, I'm going to come to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it right here, then click on generate, and ChatGPT is going to generate this flyer for us in the next 1-2 minutes, right? So let's wait for it to generate right now. ChatGPT just generate this flyer for us right now. As you can see, you might be seeing this on your screen right now, right? And this is very captivating and transforming for a business owner. Now this is going to upset a lot of graphic designers, and this is going to affect their businesses, right? Now on a normal note, you're going to pay thousands of naira or even hundreds of dollars to make this happen, to create this kind of stunning and cashy flyer for your business, right? If you want to pay a graphic designer, a professional graphic designer, to create this for you. But right here, right now, with just a singular prompt, you can do this by yourself without even paying anybody or having any design skills or any graphic design skills at all. Now this is very stunning and this is very captivating. So before we move further, if you are getting real value from this video, please hit that like button and share this to someone out there who needs this information, and they are going to thank you for it. So I'm going to branch out of this fitness business. I'm going to make another design for a different business entirely. Now this one is for a real estate, and this is the prompt right here. It says create a luxurious Instagram flyer for a Nigeria real estate company. Use navy blue, gold, and white colors. Show a modern, luxurious duplex with beautiful landscape and all of that. Now this is details. Now we are giving ChatGPT details of what we need and how we need it. Now you are going to be very specific and you're going to pay attention to all this. Even if ChatGPT is generating this prompt for you, you can still go through them and correct whatever you want them to correct. Maybe you wanted to add your phone number to the WhatsApp number out there, you have to state it. So now we're going to copy this very prompt right here and click on send and wait for the result again. This, as you can see right now, it just generated for us. Now this is how you can generate your own prompt. Now I'll be leaving all of these prompts to these flyers you are seeing on my screen right now. I will leave it there in the description of this video, or I'm going to drop them my Telegram channel, right? It will be easy for you to copy. So make sure you join my Telegram channel via the comment section or the description right now, so that you can have access to all these very prompts. Now, so guys, now this is how you can generate more prompt for yourself. Now, let's imagine you are into, let's say, you are into e-commerce, right? So, right, we're going to ask ChatGPT right now. Now, you can put this in any format, right? I'm saying help me generate 2 more prompts I can use to generate a design for my e-commerce business. Click on generate right now. Here are two AI converting e-commerce flyer prompt designed to look premium, modern, and optimized for Instagram sales. This is the first one. General e-commerce mega sale. Create a premium Instagram promotional flyer for a Nigerian e-commerce store. Use a vibrant blue, orange, and white. Now, with this right now, you can tailor this to any specific design you want. You can say, instead of vibrant blue, you can use red, right? Instead of orange, you can use white. Now, this is very simple and this is very straightforward. And this is how you can create designs like this. You just chat GPT. So all the prompts I used to create all the designs in this video are right there in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join my Telegram channel via the comment section or the description of this video so that you can have access to all these prompts you can use for yourself. You can edit this prompt to your preference. If you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video especially, and also if you have any question, any concern, drop into the comment section. I'll be there to reply to every singular comment. I don't leave my comment unread. And also share this video to your community out there. They are going to thank you for it. AI is the future right now. If you are wondering which of these AI skills I can learn in 2026 and beyond, now this video is going to answer that question for you. Now in this video, I share with you several AI skills you can learn right now and you can start making money from it. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.